Hi guys, it's Sherry. Today we are going to be playing with this really cool, fun sun stamp. I absolutely love this. I just got it recently, so I really want to have some fun with it. And we're going to make two different kinds here. So I'm going to do one for like a faux granite stone look and one a copper look. I love faux metal looks and faux stone, so what I am going to do is I am going to roll these out, and I'm going to roll these out onto my thickest setting because we are going to be laying the stamp down, which will flatten it out a bit more. So let me run these through my pasta machine. Okay, so that's about the thickness of my pasta machine on the thickest level. So we'll start out with the stone one. And the first thing I want to do is just make sure it's nice and flat. Make sure I don't have no bubbles. And we're going to go up very high here. Okay, so I'm just going to press down on my stamp. And then press that in there. And I will do the same thing a little bit lower. And we'll do the same thing on our copper. I'm actually going to redo this one because I can see that I actually missed the bottom section. So let me just move it over here and re-roll this one more time. Okay. Next, I just have a round cutter, so you could use any cutter that you have that is right around the same size as your sun. And then just grab a cutter for your earrings. And I'm going to cut my sun right in half here. And I have a feeling I'm going to have to cut this one, maybe. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to have to re-roll this out because I have that imprint there, and I don't want that to be on my earring. And smooth out your pieces. If you smooth your pieces out before you put them in the oven, then you have less sanding to do afterwards. And I don't like to sand, so I always make sure my pieces are smoothed out. Alrighty. And then we'll just cut these out as well. All right, so let's put our stone pieces on our tile. I love these. They're so nice. And we are going to keep this as simple as we can. And I am going to use my paint that is called Dark Stone. Hopefully I mixed it up enough. And then I'm going to stick my finger there, and I'm going to kind of pat most of it off. And then just start going over my piece. And you could use black paint if you don't have this particular one. But this will help bring out your piece here. You'll be able to see the sun much, much better with it being colored. And you can see I'm just lightly putting my finger over that. And then I got a little bit over here that I didn't want to get, so I'm just going to take my wipey and just wipe some of that up. And I will do my edges a little bit. You can see it's really kind of starting to come to life when you start putting that paint on it. I do want to clean some of these up, and it makes it give it that like nice carved look, which I absolutely love. And you want to have some of this like paint on the edges so it really does look like stone. All right, put that one off to the side. And then we will grab these ones. And smooth everything out nicely. Put this up here. There we go. Okay, this one, all I'm going to do is get my metallic rub-ons, and then I'm going to use my copper. And this will just kind of bring it out a little bit more. And I'm kind of going over almost the entire piece with it and just leaving in between all those little sun rays. I'm leaving that alone. So very, very easy on that one. And then with this necklace, I want to do something a little bit different. I want to really give it kind of like that cool metal look with rainbow stones. So I have all these little faux like gems, and they're heat sealed. So I'm going to flip them over, and then I'm going to put them all the way around. And I just think they're going to look beautiful. Okay, so we'll start out with the white. And I'll start that one right here. I'm going to get my good one. That one's stinky. I like this wax tip much better. And then let's go red. And I'm just going to put it on the outer part of it. And don't worry, because these, once it heats up, will completely seal to your piece. I love this. I really do. I think this is going to look so cute. How fabulous is that? And I am going to leave the earrings alone. I was going to add gems to them, but I'm not sure if I should. Let me see. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, white. I guess red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, white. See, they don't equal out. All right, so now I'm going to put my holes in my clay. So this one, I'm going to put the hole right in the middle here. And make sure you're not close to the edge. My clay is so soft right now. Come on. There we go. All right, so now you want to make sure these are flat down again. You want to make sure your pieces are always flat when you bake them. Otherwise, they will actually bake and stay up and it just won't look nice. They won't lay nicely. Okay. Let's see, should we put gems on those? Maybe we could try. Let's see. Let's just do red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Yeah, let's just do that. We're not going to do the whole thing. We'll just do yellow. Are those not fabulous? I love these. I think these are so great. All right, so we have these, and then we have these, and I just got to do the holes for these ones. So let me go straight above. Okay. And now I'm going to place these in my oven. And then when they are completely baked, cooled off, we'll come back and we will finish these up. Okay, guys. So as you see, I have all my pieces put together. I unfortunately did not hit the record button. I don't know what happened. I thought I did, but unfortunately I didn't. But this is what my faux granite stone looks like. Look how gorgeous that came out. I did end up putting a matte seal over it, but I absolutely love these. I think these are just fabulous. And then I ended up also putting triple thick on this one, and it gives you that resin look. And look how gorgeous that is. I let it sit overnight, and it really does give it that resin look to it. These are fabulous as well. I used copper wire here, and then I did like a silver wire on these ones. I love this style where you make the bail look like that, and then the earrings, but unfortunately I didn't record that, so I can't do that again. But we are going to finish these up completely just by putting the earring hooks on. And I'm going to go with my copper look for these ones. I got to tell you, I love how this is the same stamp. And just by using 2 different color clays, and you just get these fabulous looks. I mean, how different are these? So this is more like, I would say, natural, you know, faux stone. And this is, you know, the copper look. I don't know, guys. I just think they're great. I hope that you are loving them as much as I do. And I just think it's so fun that you can either add the gemstones to it, if that's, you know, what you're looking for, or you can just keep it plain. And both ways, they just look beautiful. So this is very simple. So because I have my wire already on here, I just open these up. I'm going to place that on and then just close it. And that's it. Absolutely beautiful. I'll end up getting like a leather chain or something for these pendants. And that's it. Very, very simple. You open it up, you close it, and you have 2 different types of gorgeous pieces of jewelry here. I hope that you enjoyed creating these pieces with me. I'm sorry that I didn't hit the record button for the metal work. But I know there's other people that do wire work out there, and basically you're just wrapping it. So it really is not a difficult thing. But if you end up going online and just put in, you know, wire wrapping bail or something like that, I'm sure you can find a tutorial on that. Once again, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you leave a comment. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.